Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel where we talk about healthy living and sustainable living. In today's video, we will be discussing the benefits of a plant-based diet for health and sustainability. A plant-based diet consists mainly of whole, unprocessed plant foods such as vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grains, and nuts, and excludes or minimizes animal products such as meat, dairy, and eggs. Let's dive into the benefits. First, lower risk of chronic diseases. One of the biggest benefits of a plant-based diet is its ability to lower the risk of chronic diseases. Studies have shown that a plant-based diet can help reduce the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and certain types of cancer. This is because plant-based foods are high in fiber, antioxidants, and other nutrients that are beneficial for overall health. Second, weight management. A plant-based diet can also help with weight management. Plant-based foods are generally lower in calories and fat than animal products, making them a great option for those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Additionally, plant-based diets are often high in fiber, which can help you feel fuller for longer periods of time. Third, sustainability. Aside from the health benefits, a plant-based diet is also better for the environment. Animal agriculture is a leading cause of greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. By reducing or eliminating animal products from your diet, you can help reduce your carbon footprint and promote sustainable living. Fourth, variety and creativity in the kitchen. A plant-based diet doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. In fact, it can be quite the opposite. With the variety of plant-based foods available, there are endless possibilities for delicious and creative meals. This can be a great opportunity to try new foods and experiment with different flavors and cooking techniques. Ethical considerations. For many people, a plant-based diet is also a choice based on ethical considerations. By eliminating or reducing animal products from their diet, they are taking a stand against animal cruelty and promoting more humane and compassionate practices. A plant-based diet offers numerous benefits for both personal health and sustainability. By incorporating more plant-based foods into your diet, you can reduce your risk of chronic diseases, maintain a healthy weight, promote sustainable living, explore new culinary experiences, and make a positive impact on the environment and animal welfare. We hope this video has inspired you to consider incorporating more plant-based foods into your diet. Thank you for watching.